This is the fourth year of our Provost Innovation Challenge. It's really one of the highlights of our student academic entrepreneurship years. It's always amazing to see the variety of the projects. I love to see that the passion is there to continue to work through the academic year. And that's part of the function of Tangent. We've a number of different sort of supports, whatever pathway they want to go through or whatever time that they might have available, that we can help them work.
The Provost Challenge is all about empowering students to look at the world and think in terms of solutions to global and societal problems.
What we have a chance to experience here is to actually get a real mentorship from the people who has entrepreneurship experience and to get some tips and tricks how we actually can develop our startups and future ideas for the fast fashion.
The experience was really nice. The hackathon was very intensive. I particularly liked the 4 mentors session that we had yesterday.
Put in practice what we're learning in our master's course. We have modules such as sustainability, social innovation, transdisciplinary research, and now we are actually able to put what we thought of before into practice, thinking about what would work, what would be feasible in reality.
We had a chance to go in depth of the fast fashion, how it actually works, and also get a sense how we can improve the situation on market at the moment.
84% of all the donated clothes end up either in landfills or they get incinerated. And we want to solve this problem.
A lot of people are interested into sustainable clothing. We came up with the idea just one day before the challenge started.
So it's been really interesting reading academic papers and articles, and I've really seen how big of a problem it really is.
My name is Ellen Ryle. I am 1/4 of Team Refunk, and we are the winners of last year's Provost Challenge, which was based on sustainable cities. So we came up with Refunk, which is a platform which facilitates the 3 stages of the furniture upcycling process. After we won the Provost Challenge, we went on to enter a couple more competitions and then accelerator programs. So the last year has been crazy. We've had some huge milestones. We got into Launchbox during summer, which was brilliant. We entered Blackstone Fellowship, which was an accelerator in the US. And then, of course, we registered our business, so we're now an official business, which is very exciting.
And in first place, we have Team Like It.
We're super thrilled. We didn't expect to win at all, and we're looking forward to join a test incubator right now to push the idea forward.
People can have a sort of an idea, but it's so much more valuable and important that they can really talk to experts in that sort of field. We have a panel of experts across multidiscipline, really key sort of entrepreneurs and sort of technologists within the country to give some time back and work with the students to try and help develop those ideas over time.